Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, very interesting and useful topic. We can learn in the easy way. The topic is polynomial. It is the third chapter of class 10. Dear students, don't miss the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button. Let us see what are learning outcomes of this chapter polynomial. So the learning outcomes are, first one it is introduction to polynomials. It is introduction. Second one, degree of a polynomial. Third one, zero of polynomial. Fourth one, graphical representation of a polynomial. And fifth, relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Sixth and last one, it is division algorithm for polynomials. So this all we have to learn in this chapter polynomial. So first it is introduction. Let us see. So our topic polynomials. Before going to our topic polynomials, we can learn variables, constants, expression, and then next polynomials. So first one it is variables. What are variables? So variable is a symbol that take different values. So the values are numbers. The symbols A, B, C, so on, X, Y, Z are called variables. Next, it is constants. What are constants? Constant is a symbol. It has single value. So the examples of the constants you can take 2, 3, root 2, root 3, pi, so on. So these are examples of the constants. What is constants? Constant is a symbol that has only single value. Next one it is, third one, it is expressions. What are expressions? The combination of constants and variables connected by plus, minus, into, divide are called expressions. Once again repeating, a combination of constants and variables connected by plus, minus, into, divide are called expression. Example, so 2x plus 3, 5x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, or one more example, 3xy plus 2 by xy plus 3x square. So any, the combination of plus, minus, into, divide. So the combination of variables and constants connected by plus, minus, into, divide are called expressions. Now fourth one it is polynomials. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression which the variable contains non-negative integral power is called polynomial. Non-negative integral power. Non-negative integral power means that is not the power is negative. So non-negative integral power means it is not the negative power. So examples, 2x square plus 2x plus 3. So here power is 2. It is the plus. Here also power is 1. Means it is also plus. It is constant one, same as it is. So what is polynomials? An algebraic expression in which the variables has only non-negative integral power is called polynomials. Next it is fifth one, degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. So if p of x is a polynomial, we can take p of x is a polynomial in which the highest power of the polynomial p of x, highest power of the polynomial p of x is called degree of the polynomial. Once again repeating, if p of x is a polynomial in x, the highest power of p of x is called degree of the polynomial. Example 5x square plus 7x plus 2. So here highest power, here power is 2, here power is nothing means 1. So highest power is 2 means, so we can take degree equal to 2. One more example, x power 10 plus 9x square plus 8x power 8 plus 4. So here power is 10, here power is 2, here power is 8. So in this highest power is, that is 10. The 10 we can take as a degree. So this is degree of the polynomial. An algebraic, in the polynomial, highest power is called degree of the polynomial. Next, in case we have two variables, it is the single variable, here x, here x, here x only. So single variable one, highest power we need to take. So some cases we can get more than one variable. More than one variable means you can sum of the terms, powers of the term you can take. So sum of the powers you have to take. Sum of the powers of the terms, each term we need to take. So for example, 2x square y square plus 3xy plus 3y cube plus 4x square y power 3, it is there. For example, here power of 2, x that is 2, power of y that is 2. Here this is the single term only, this term, total power we are getting 4. Here power is 1, here also power is 1. So this total term power we can take 2. Here this is single term, this single term power is 3. So here this single term, here x square y cube means 2 plus 3, it is 5. So this term we can get here power, sum of powers it is 4. Here sum of powers is 2, sum of powers is 3, sum of powers is 5. Means, so highest power we can take as a degree. So degree equal to 5. Degree of the polynomial equal 5. It is 2 or more than 2 variables means we need to take the sum of each term. Powers of sum we need to take. Next, sixth one, it is 0 degree polynomial or constant polynomial. So what is 0 degree polynomial? A polynomial of degree is 0 is called 0 degree polynomial or constant polynomial. For example, 8. So here nothing variable. So variable nothing means you can take x power 0 or y power 0. Means here 0, power 0. So degree is 0. So any constants you have to take. Minus 2. So here minus 2 means here power is nothing. Nothing means it is the constant and 0 degree polynomial, both are same only. So the constant polynomial degree is 0. Next, nth degree polynomial. A polynomial of degree is n is called nth degree polynomial. A polynomial of degree is n is called nth degree polynomial. So for example, the nth degree polynomial, the general form of nth degree polynomial is p of x equal a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus 1 plus an. So here a0, a1, a2, so on, an are coefficients of the polynomial. So here what is the nth degree polynomial? A polynomial of degree is n is called nth degree polynomial. The general form of the nth degree polynomial p of x equal a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus an, so on, plus an. Here we can take here a0, a1, a2 and last term an are coefficients of the polynomial. Next, types of polynomial according to degree. So types of polynomials according to degree. So that is first one, it is linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? So linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. Once again repeating, a polynomial of degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. So example, 2x plus 3. So here degree is 1 s. Next 100x plus 2. So here degree also 1. So the general form of linear polynomial, equal ax plus b. This is the general form of linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example, so here 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and one more example, 5a square plus 6a plus 1. So here degree, just we need to check the degree. Degree is 2, here also degree is 2. So highest power is called degree only. So the degree is 2 means it is the quadratic polynomial. So what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? General form equal ax square plus bx plus c is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Next, third one, it is cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A polynomial of degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Degree is 3 means it is the cubic polynomial. So example, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 1. So here just we need to check the degree only. So degree here highest power is 3, so degree is 3. One more example, 5z square plus 6z plus 7z cube plus 1. So just we need all powers, we have to check it. So here is power is 2, here power is 1, here power is 3, here power, this is the constant one. So in this highest power is 3. Highest power is 3 means it is the degree is 3. Degree is 3 means it is the cubic polynomial. So the general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general form of cubic polynomial. Next, biquadratic polynomial. What is biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree is more than 3. More than 3 means it is the biquadratic polynomial. For example, 5x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 6. So highest power it is 4 means more than 3. More than 3 means it is the biquadratic polynomial. One more I am saying here, 100x power 100 plus 90x power 10 plus 10x power 5 plus 1x1 plus 2. So 100x power 100 plus 90x power 10 plus 10x power 5 plus 1x plus 2. So in this, what is the highest power? 100 is the highest power. More than 3 means it is the biquadratic polynomial. So here degree is 100, so it is the biquadratic polynomial. Next it is Types of polynomials according to the terms. Types of polynomials according to terms. So according to the terms, before that one it is according to the degree, now it is the terms. So in that first one it is monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial is having only one term is called monomial. A polynomial is having only one term. A polynomial is containing only one term is called, that is monomial. For example, 2x, and you can take 5a, like that. So in this only single term, here also single term, means it is a monomial. Next, second one, it is binomial. A polynomial is containing two terms. So here it is containing two terms, means it is the binomial. Once again repeating, a polynomial is containing two terms is called binomial. Example, so 2x plus 3. So here it is the first term, it is the second term, means here it is having two terms. Two terms means it is the binomial. One more example, 5v power 4 plus 5v it is. So here 5v power 4, this is the first term, 5v, this is the second term. Means here don't take the powers, only we need to take the terms only. Here first term, this is the second term. Means two terms only. Two terms means it is the binomial. Next, a polynomial is containing two terms is called binomial. Next, trinomial. What is trinomial? A polynomial is containing three terms is called trinomial. So here it is containing three terms. For example, 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5. So it is the first term, second term and third term. So here it is third term, means it is the trinomial. One more example, 5x power 10 plus 5x plus 15. So here this is the first term, this 5x is second term, this 15 is third term. Means it is containing three terms. Three terms, it is a polynomial is containing three terms, means it is a trinomial. Next, multinomial. Multinomial means a polynomial containing more than three terms. More than three terms means it is the multinomial. For example, 10x power 9 plus 9x power 8 plus 8x power 7 plus 7x power 6 plus 7x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 5 terms means it is the more than 3. More than 3 means it is the multinomial. One more example I am saying here. 5x power 4, a I am taking the variable, 5a power 4 plus 5a cube plus 5a square plus 20. Here once you can check here, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Means here this polynomial is containing four terms. A polynomial is containing four terms means it is a multinomial. Once again repeating, what is polynomial? So an algebraic expression contains only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Some examples of the polynomial: 5x square plus 6x plus 1. It is a polynomial. All powers here it is non-negative, means positive only. One more example: 4x power 4 plus 5x power 5 plus 6x power 6 plus 7x power 7. All powers you have to check it. Here it is also polynomial. All positive powers only here also. So it is a polynomial. One more example: 5 by x plus 6x square plus 7. It is not a polynomial. It is first term 5 by x, it is not the positive degree. It is not the positive degree means it is not the polynomial. One more, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. It is also not the polynomial. It is not the positive degree. It is also negative degree only. So next upcoming video we will focus on different type of problems on polynomial. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share to your friends and family members as much as possible. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.